Hi subscribers, viewers and most of all my fans. In this unlimited video, I'm going to show you secrets on Google Keypad, also known as Gboard. Not only but knowledge you need to have. Subscribe and click on the bell icon. Subscribe and click on the bell icon. Do you know these secret settings? Huh? But you can see these settings whenever you enter your Gboard settings. Now let's drive in. The first one is theme. Have you been wondering how can I add theme on my Gboard? It is easy as ABCD. Before I progress into the next one, any Android keypad you don't any Android keypad you have and you don't know how to use it, please put it at the comment and see it at the next video. Subscribe so you can be able to see it as soon as I launch the keypad for you. I launch how to set it for you. The second one is number row. Number row is easy to sum but hard to sum. Why? As easy it sounds, but one of the secret settings on Gboard and help when putting down numbers in words. How? Instead of switching to the number page or section, it will be placed on top of the alphabet section. The third one is floating. As it sounds, it makes the Gboard flexible and easy to be placed anywhere on the screen. The fourth one is one-handed. One-handed is very useful and vital feature for the decapitated person or half broken screen. It can be set either left or right of the screen. The fifth is feature icon. Is a secret settings where you select Gboard helpful features. And place where all the features that is helpful in Gboard are. Just know it. Place where all helpful features in Gboard are. If you want to know how to set up these secret settings, which I have listed down, click on the next video or find it using how to use Gboard by Gentle Shadow Video Tech. How to use Gboard by Gentle Shadow Video Tech. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.